Hey guys, welcome back. So we have been able to make our CRUD for all this to do functionality, but notice that every time we navigate to different pages of the site, so we go to edit, the title here keeps home. So we would want this to really be dynamic, so it relates to the current page we are on. So for us to be able to do that, we want to go to our base HTML, and here, instead of us hard coding this title here, what we want is in here, we want to use the title block. So here we can do block title, and then we can, of course, for every block we open we need to end it. So now we can say end block, and the title can go here. So for every template that extends from this, we can pretty much override the value here. So that means that if we go to the to-do detail, like here, we can have block title, and then we can say maybe to do. If it's a dynamic one, of course we can get it. So let's use the title here. We can do something like to do dot title and save. So if we come back to the app and refresh, you see we have a new one here. So that's it. So that means we need to really duplicate this for the other sections. So I'm just going to copy this whole block title, and I can go to the home app here, then we can say home or whatever you want to put. Okay, we need the end block, of course. Sorry, I lost it out. So let's go also update delete. So here we can have delete to do. Let's have the other one for edit. So let's do the same in these authentication ones. This can be login. Let's also have one in register. Alright, so coming back to our application, if we go to the home page, you see home. If we click create, you see we need to add one for create. Okay, so if we refresh, see you have created there, and now things look a little bit more standard. Okay, so that's gonna do it for now. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.